environmentally damaging. Do you agree that jeepneys should be phased out? Why or why not? Once again, the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board, or LTFRB, deems traditional jeepneys unsafe and environmentally damaging. Do you agree that jeepneys should be phased out? Why or why not?
Jeepneys is part of our identity as Filipinos. And tourists or foreigners come in the Philippines to experience riding jeepneys. And I'm not in favor of jeepney phase out, rather, I'm in favor of jeepney rehabilitation. Some professionals propose designs to adopt the plans for the modernization of the vehicles. So I suggest that rather we phase out these jeepneys, we rather redesign the interior while retaining the exterior appearance